When it debuts later this year, the BMW XM will quickly replace the current flagship SUV model for the Bavarian manufacturer. Recent patent applications with the Japan Patent Office revealed the design of the XM in full detail, and fresh representations dress the boxy body in production attire. These illustrations, which are from our friends at colza.ru, show the silver-finished performance family hauler.
The XM concept, which was shown in November of last year, is still very much a part of the final design, so it doesn't seem to be all that shocking. Even yet, there are some noticeable modifications, particularly up front where the bumper will be less pronounced and the headlamps will take on a more angular design. The real model will have a large radar flanked by 2 parking sensors in the same location, as opposed to the concept car's closed lower fascia below the kidney grills. It seems that the basic design will not change in the rear, but there will be changes to the taillights, which won't protrude very far into the rear fenders. Additionally, the quad exhaust configuration will probably remain, but the bumper diffuser won't seem as extreme. The flat back hatch and the roof spoiler also fit this description. Early evidence indicates that a plug-in hybrid engine with a maximum output of 644 horsepower, 495 kilowatts, and 650 pound-feet, 884 newton-meters, will be used to power the production XM. According to rumors, BMW is also developing a more potent XM Black Label vehicle with output comparable to that of the XM concept. If confirmed, the top-of-the-line SUV will have around 740 horsepower, 551 kilowatts, and 737 lb-ft, 1,000 newton-meters, of torque.
The XM is set to make its premiere later this year, and we anticipate the performance SUV to enter the US market sometime in the first or second quarter of 2019. Although the pricing have not been finalized, we anticipate the entry-level model will cost approximately $130,000 and the top-of-the-line model to cost at least $150,000.